Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be making a Mississippi pot roast. And it is one of the best tasting pot roasts, and it's a very easy recipe because you can throw all the ingredients in the crock pot. So of course you need your roast, pepperoncinis, au jus gravy mix, ranch seasoning mix, and about 1/4 cup of butter. And you just add all these ingredients into the crock pot, and 4 to 8 hours later, you'll have a delicious meal. I like to cook mine on low for 8 hours. And if I'm pressed for time, I usually do 4 hours on high heat. All right, so I have tossed in all of my ingredients. 4th cup of butter, about 4 or 5 pepperoncinis. The ranch dressing mix and the gravy mix are layered on top of the roast. And I'm going to place the lid on. And when I come back, you guys see a finished recipe. And I also wanted to add, be sure to not add any water or broth to the mix. It will make its own liquid as it cooks. And also when there is about 1 or 2 hours left of cook time, I usually throw in some carrots and potatoes also for the sides. But do not add water or broth to the mix. So that is how I prepare the Mississippi pot roast. I hope you try the recipe, and I also hope you enjoy the recipe as much as we do. And also, I just want to remind you that my recipe journal is available for purchase. I will leave the link down below. And it is a great way to keep all of your favorite recipes in one location. And again, thank you guys so much for watching the video, supporting the channel. And if you have already purchased the recipe book, please be sure to leave a review on Amazon. And again, thank you so much for watching. Take care and be blessed.